Hello, welcome to Algorithms. My name is Saurabh, and today we are going to discuss about Azure Kubernetes service integration with the Security Center. In the last couple of decks, we spoke about container security and best practices, what are the risk areas. In this one, we specifically want to cover the integration part of AKS and Security Center, and we are going to cover one more presentation which talks about the integration between Azure Container Registry and Security Center, and that makes it complete for the container and AKS environment from the security perspective on the Azure platform. So basically there are two different components of security centers when it comes to Kubernetes protection. So one is Azure Security Center's threat protection for virtual machines, in which log analytics agent is used for data collection, and then Security Center can show you security issues occurring on your AKS nodes via a dashboard. The second component is optional, which is Azure's Security Center's optional Kubernetes bundle, and once you enable it, you are actually granting access to Security Center to review and scan logs, AKS logs. So Security Center brings security benefits to your AKS clusters using data already gathered by AKS master node. So that's an important point to be taken into consideration. Now this is the architecture, and I explained you about different components, and when it comes to protection, there are three types of protection. One is security recommendation, the other one is environment hardening, and the third one is runtime protection. As you can see, it is very clear from the diagram that log analytics agent are installed and log analytics agent are sending data to Azure Security Center. It is then parsing it, analyzing it, and giving you security recommendations which are in actionable format for you. It also detects threats across AKS nodes and clusters using advanced analytics. Continuous discovery of managed AKS instance. So every time you push an instance, or every time a new instance is created, it is getting scanned, as well as its configuration is getting verified, just to make sure that there are no vulnerabilities in your environment. Environment hardening means Security Center constantly monitors the configuration of your Kubernetes cluster and Docker configuration. It then generates recommendations that reflect industry standards. So I discussed about my previous slides about CIS benchmarks for Docker and AKS, and that for Docker and Kubernetes. Now what it does is it has got a list of those rules and benchmarks, so it verifies the configuration against those benchmarks, and if there are any gaps, it is reflected in the dashboard. Now one of the questions that comes up quite often from the customers is, can I still get AKS protection without log analytics agent? So what customers are saying, if we don't have log analytics agent, can we still get AKS protections? So the point is, the optional Kubernetes bundle provides protection at the cluster level. The log analytics agent of Azure Security Center standard tier protect your nodes. So there are two different levels, as I explained right in the beginning, and you have to enable the optional part in order to make sure that you get the complete benefit. So I recommend my customers deploying both for the complete protection. But if you choose not to install the agent on your host, you will only receive a subset of that threat protection benefit from the security alerts. But you still receive alerts related to network analysis and communications with the malicious servers. I guess this is it from my side. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box, and please subscribe the video, and thank you very much.